ba ako?
Hi guys, good morning. Punta kami sa breakfast. So this is how I like my eggs, guys. Very runny. Nagpaluto kami doon. Ayun nga, nasa likod niya. Hi guys! So, punta na kami niyan sa beach para mag-take ng konting pictures. I'm wearing yesterday's fit kasi hindi ko naman masyado na-picture ng maayos to. And sa pool lang naman kami pumunta yesterday. Go-walk lang kami papuntang beach dito sa New Coast Beach. So, sana wala masyadong tao. So, yung way daw papuntang beach is dito lang din. Go-walk ka lang pababa. So, ayan guys, mayroon ng mga establishments around here. Pero syempre dahil nga medyo malayo to sa front beach, yung mga naka-check-in lang din yung mga naka-experience, which is yung mga naka-check-in sa Belmont and sa Savoy. Ayan yung ginagawa guys. So ayan, naglalakad lang talaga kami. Like isang straight lang talaga to. So ito yung Wolfgang. Ayan. Like andito lang pala talaga siya. Ayan na yung beach guys. So literal na tama yung sinabi nung nasa front desk na yung Belmont is like a 5-minute walk to the beach. Kasi ito na yung beach guys. Dito lang kami, just enjoying the air. Hello guys. Change outfit kami. And we're matchy again. So, punta na kami ng 2 seasons. And then after 2 seasons, magla-land tour na kami. Or dessert muna sa D-Mall and then land tour.
So guys, dito na kami sa 2 seasons. Sa restaurant pa. So actually, kilala ko yung tropa, yung may-ari niya. kilala ko yung may-ari nito. Tropa kasi siya ng bestie ko. Oo. 3 beses kami nagsama. Mahaba ang pila sa kainan.
Dalawa po.
Pang 16 sa
So, more than 1 hour ang waiting. Ganong kalupit. Wala rin kami matambayan sa 2 seasons. So, magbibilad na lang kami. Gonna happen here. Parang ng beach volleyball. May lilim dito. Walang tayo magka-camping.
ang mahiwagang technique kapag nag-aantay kayo sa bumaglatag kayo. Tapos syempre, must have Gisolite. Habang nag-aantay kami. Ayan. So, ayan mga guys, yung pizza.
Cheese Whopper.
4 cheese pizza and then oyster sisig.
And guys, so patapos na kami kumain and maubos. So, punong-puno yan kanina but now di na lang. And ito lang kasi yung talagang ulam namin. But I think this can feed up to 4 people if like meron kang maraming food. So, it's pretty solid because look. Each circle or oval you see there is a single oyster, and as you can see, binalot siya ng tawag dito.
Butter.
Ng breading?
Butter.
Binalot siya ng butter, so it's crispy and actually medyo dry siya sa loob ngayon, pero sabi nila malambot siya usually.
Yeah.
No?
I swear, last time guys, nung pumunta ako last year, 2023, second time ko yun yung the best na natikman ko yun. Since siguro bigger din yung oysters nila that time. So, medyo moist and malambot yung loob, tapos crunchy siya sa labas. Pero ngayon, dahil nga siguro maliit na overcook ata yung meat. What?
Hindi niya daw maubos and there's still a lot. As you can see, pinamita ko pa rin ng Knorr liquid seasoning. So, actually, it's already good as it is. Pero, gusto ko talagang maalat. And pagdating sa sisig, talagang dinadagdagan ko ng Knorr seasoning. Rinig niyo ba to?
Hmm?
So, waited for like 1.5 hours sa init. Though, ngayon di naman siya punong-puno. Ang dami pang bakante. So, I think selected lang yung tables para sa outsiders. Now we move on to the 4 cheese pizza. So, actually this is super solid. Pero I'm still gonna put some spices because I really like spicy. Because for me to enjoy food, it has to be spicy. I still got that Bisaya in me, you know. Like, kabalo ka, Bisaya. Na? Pastilan. Pastilan ba?
Yung alam mo eh.
Hindi ka kabalo. So, it's thin crust, so crunchy. But even though manipis siya, you might think it's not heavy, pero because of the cheese,
Sobrang heavy.
it still got that some heft into it, you know.
Yeah. At saka, anong tawag doon? Kung hinantos nila to, feeling ko sobrang heavy palalo kasi heavy na nga yung cheese. Eh, no, tignan nyo. Kapal ng cheese niya.
So now, papabayad na natin sa kanya yung bill.
Libre ako ni Gab, girls.
Hindi.
Bad batch
It's good
lang.
It's good for 4 people na. For me, Then, sobrang daming oyster. So if you're like gonna eat this, ng dalawa lang kayo, you might get food poison. Yeah,
Pero since malakas kami,
pero sanay na kami. Kung di kayo sanay, it's better to split this into 4. Yeah, but for its price kasi, last night we had an oyster dinner and it was 3 ba?
395.
395 and it's only 8 pieces. Tapos ito parang 100 pieces na oyster. Yan.
We are on our way to the shuttle or the Ho-Ho. Pupunta kami ng V-Mall at bibili ng dessert and also bibili ako ng eye drops ko kasi nagda-dry yung eyes ko.
So,
It was gone in 5 seconds.
shaved ice lang.
It was so nice.
Alam niyo yung pag nagyayelo yung freezer nyo, tapos kinayod nyo yung gilid. Yan lang yun.
Ano ba?
Lagyan mo lang
Parang may
Ka-
gusto nun.
not for me.
Not for me, but maybe yes for everyone. So yun guys, ipapatry ko din kay Gab this week din yung it's either Mango Mama or Coco Mama or Ube Mama or Halo Mango. Pero yung natry ko na is Halo Mango and Ube Mama. And so far, they are both great. Huwag sa akin.
Ikaw na magtabo.
Doon!
Nasaan ka?
Asa po ka beach na tayo guys.
I'm so tired. I can't anymore.
This is what life is with me.
Makakunin ako ng chocolate. Ay, huwag na ito pa. What? What? Wow. She was a fairy. Pag nahulog ka dyan, she was a fairy.
Patay na ako guys. Ayan guys, pinipicturean si Gab. I'm already done. So, hello guys! Andito na ulit kami sa New Coast Beach. Cause sobrang init pa dun sa Diniwid. Kaya ayun, nag-shuttle na lang din kami. Punta here. Okay.
Solo na namin yung Belmont swimming pool.
Because yesterday, there was a lot of people here guys. So Siguro dahil maaga pa. Dapat pupunta na kami sa room namin and then napag-isipan namin na huwag na lang at mag-pool na lang. Since kahapon nga hindi namin na-enjoy yung amenities ng pool dito sa Belmont at Savoy lang yung na-try namin yesterday. Ayun, kita ba? Arte mo. Ganyan.